natural yaki texture. So the knot's already bleached, already parted nicely. It's more of a 13x6 where, like, you know, it's 6 inches deep down here, and it already comes with the lace pre-cut. So super duper beginner friendly. Like,